Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Robinhood IRA contribution limits planning, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin planning your IRA contributions in Robinhood, open the app on your device. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Account tab located at the bottom of your screen. In the Accounts section, look for the Investing option. Tap on Investing to view your available accounts. Scroll down to find your IRA account and select it. Next, review the current contribution limits set by the IRS for the year. Determine your eligibility based on your income and tax filing status. Decide how much you are willing to contribute. Remember, the maximum annual contribution limit for traditional and Roth IRAs may change each year. Once you have your contribution amount in mind, go back to your IRA account. Locate the option to make a contribution. Enter the desired contribution amount. Confirm that you are aware of the contribution limits before proceeding. Select the funding source for your contribution. You can choose between your linked bank account or cash balance in your Robinhood account. Follow the prompts to complete the contribution process. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation of your contribution. Keep track of your contributions throughout the year to avoid exceeding the limits. Review your contributions regularly to ensure you remain on track with your retirement savings goals. Stay updated on any changes to contribution limits for future planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.